If your baby cries a lot after feeding, the problem might not be your baby, it could be the formula milk you are using. And the scary part is, most mothers don't even realize this mistake. You feed your baby on time, you take care of everything. But still, the baby becomes uncomfortable, fussy, and cries more than usual. At first, you think it's normal, maybe gas, maybe mood. But what if the real reason is something else? Sometimes, the formula milk you choose does not suit your baby's digestion. And when that happens, your baby might show signs like constant crying, stomach discomfort, or disturbed sleep. The biggest mistake many parents make is ignoring these early signs. Every baby is different. What works perfectly for one baby may not work for another. So instead of blindly following others, you need to observe your baby carefully. If your baby becomes uncomfortable after feeding again and again, don't ignore it. And very important, never keep changing formula milk again and again on your own. Always consult a doctor before making any changes. Which formula milk are you using for your baby? Comment below and follow for real baby care tips.